What if you could capture your entire adventure? Not just what's in front of your drone, but everything around it in stunning 360 degrees. Imagine flying through forests, racing along coastlines, or soaring above mountains while recording every angle in ultra-high resolution. No worrying about pointing the camera in the perfect direction because you can choose the angle later during editing. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DJI Avata 360 drone, a feature-packed FPV-style drone that combines 8K 360-degree imaging, dual shooting modes, GPS stabilization, brushless motors, and integrated propeller guards into one compact flying machine. But is this the next-generation drone creators have been waiting for? Let's find out.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love drones, smart gadgets, cameras, and innovative technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's dive into the DJI Avata 360. The first thing you'll notice is its aggressive FPV-inspired design. Unlike many traditional camera drones, this model features built-in propeller guards, helping protect the propellers during close flying and reducing the chance of accidental contact with obstacles. The compact body also makes it easier to transport for travel, hiking, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Weighing around 455 grams, it's still portable while offering a more substantial build than ultralight drones. One of the biggest highlights is the dual shooting system. You can choose between traditional single-lens aerial filming or immersive 360-degree recording. That means instead of deciding where to point the camera while flying, you can often reframe compatible 360-degree footage during editing, giving creators more flexibility in post-production. For travel vloggers, FPV pilots, real estate creators, and action sports enthusiasts, this opens up exciting creative possibilities. Now let's talk about image quality. The drone is advertised with 8K 360-degree recording paired with a 1-inch image sensor. A larger sensor can help capture more light, which may improve image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're filming mountain landscapes, beach sunsets, city skylines, forest trails, or action-packed FPV flights, the high-resolution footage gives you more flexibility for cropping, editing, and creating immersive content. Keep in mind that final image quality also depends on lighting conditions, camera settings, and post-processing. If you've never flown FPV before, this style of flying offers an incredibly immersive experience. Instead of simply watching a drone from the ground, FPV lets you feel much closer to the flight path. Fast dives, smooth cinematic movements, low-altitude flying, and exciting chase shots become much more engaging. Combined with 360-degree recording, creators can produce videos that look almost impossible with conventional drones. A reliable video feed is essential when flying. The DJI Avata 360 is advertised with 04+ Full HD video transmission, offering a live view while flying. The manufacturer lists transmission distances of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. Actual transmission range depends on local regulations, radio interference, obstacles, weather, and whether you're maintaining visual line of sight, which is required in many jurisdictions. The built-in GPS system helps improve navigation and positioning. GPS can assist with stable hovering, accurate positioning, improved flight control, and return-related navigation features when available. This makes flying easier for many users, compared with drones that rely only on basic stabilization. Inside the drone are brushless motors. Compared with brushed motors, brushless designs are generally known for higher efficiency, longer service life, lower maintenance, and smoother power delivery. That's especially useful during windy conditions or when performing dynamic FPV movements. Safety is another important feature. According to the product information, the drone includes laser obstacle avoidance technology.
Obstacle sensing can help detect certain objects during flight, but it should be treated as an assistance feature, not a replacement for careful piloting. Pilots should always remain aware of their surroundings and maintain safe flying practices. One feature many FPV pilots appreciate is the integrated propeller guard. These guards help protect the propellers, reduce damage during light contact, increase confidence while flying closer to structures, and make indoor practice safer in appropriate environments. They're especially helpful for beginners learning FPV flight. Outdoor flying isn't always perfectly calm. The drone is advertised to handle winds in the 20 to 30 km/h range, helping maintain stable flight during moderate outdoor conditions. However, stronger winds can still affect flight time, stability, and overall performance. This drone could be an excellent choice for professional content creators, travel vloggers, FPV enthusiasts, YouTubers, adventure filmmakers, real estate videographers, outdoor explorers, and drone hobbyists looking for immersive aerial footage.
Here's what stands out. Dual shooting modes. 8K 360-degree recording. 1-inch image sensor. Built-in propeller guards. Brushless motors. GPS positioning. FPV-style flying. Compact, travel-friendly design. Obstacle avoidance assistance. HD video transmission.
A few things to keep in mind. 360-degree video files can require more storage and more powerful editing hardware. Flight performance varies depending on weather and environmental conditions. Battery life will depend on flying style, speed, wind, and recording settings. Always check your country's drone registration and flight regulations before flying. The DJI Avata 360 drone combines the thrill of FPV flying with the creative flexibility of 360-degree video, making it an exciting option for aerial filmmakers and content creators. Its advertised combination of 8K recording, dual shooting modes, GPS, brushless motors, propeller guards, and obstacle avoidance assistance makes it a feature-rich platform for capturing unique perspectives. If you're looking for a drone that goes beyond traditional aerial photography and lets you create immersive content, this model is definitely worth considering. So, would you choose traditional aerial footage? Or would you rather capture your adventures in full 360 degrees? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, smart gadgets, and cutting-edge technology here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.